Alright, okay guys, so I'll be testing this this ignition transformer coil. This is out of a BMW, as you just saw. So it's actually an identical one to what Seb's got. He's been using one like this, and I was talking to him about the circuit and whatnot, and I thought, well, I've got all of these parts in the garage as well, so I thought I'd rig up the same setup as him and see how mine goes really. So I've got a pulse width modulation sort of dimmer switch here. It's an old domestic type one, 250 watts in. Just you line it direct. You just wire it directly in line with the supply. So that's pretty cool. We've also got the capacitor up here. That's a 1.5 microfarad at 250 volts. Those type of square ones. And we're using the spark gap there, the universal spark gap, just to do the arcing across that. I've got it set towards the back of the bench because you get quite a lot of EMI off that. It tends to upset the camera and pause the video halfway through. It gets a bit nuts, you know, like Tesla coils tend to do the same thing. So yeah, also another thing is that little neon I've modified into the safe gap there, so you can tell if it's on or not, and that comes down. You can see when that lights up that you've got power on it, which is pretty cool. So open that back up again. That's my neutral. See if I can do this one-handed. There you go. Cool, that's back in. So yeah, we'll power this on. So 0 volts. I'm also in the chat at the moment, so I've got John there. You can see there's John. Hey, you got Sparky as well. Hey, and we got Roland. I'm sure he's there waving away. So yeah, right, we'll try this. So we'll switch them on. We're at 0 volts on the transformer. Turn up the volts. Wait, no, we'll close the spark gap. Not the spark gap, the safe block. Spark gap's there, safe block. Transformer. Take them up to 100%. Alright, that's just about ready to go. We'll just tweak the dimmer. We should get a pretty good output from this. There we go. That's working pretty well. It's quite loud, you know, guys. Camera quite far away from that. Quite loud. Low condenser. Yeah, the coil's about 17 degrees. Yeah, dimmer 17. Output. I don't want to get too close to it because it would cause the camera to pause and stop working a lot, so we won't get too close to that, guys. But yeah, it's a really good output there. Very nice. Pretty simple circuit, that's dead easy to put together. Climb up a little bit more. If you get too far, it goes out of tune. Pretty cool. Turn the volts down. So yeah, it's a pretty simple circuit really. All you've got here is the variac providing the volts to the block there, and then going out from the block, we got the live going straight into the dimmer switch here. Out from the dimmer switch, I've got this little test lead here. Goes up to the capacitor, straight through the capacitor in series, out, and then into the positive side of the ignition coil here. We've got a neutral from that. That's coming out and going straight into ground. Back into there, and also we've referenced the spark gap to the ground as well. That's on there, and the HT output from the ignition coil goes straight to the other side of the spark gap. So pretty simple to put together. Runs on 230 volts, and then most important part is to have the cap there, guys. Otherwise, you will just blow the whole thing up. So, and that's just to control it, you know. Got a bit of pulse width modulation, and it seems to work better at like 75%. If you go to 100%, it doesn't seem to want to work. If you go to 0 or 50%, it doesn't work so well. So around about 75% mark is like the little sweet spot to run it at. So yeah, it works pretty good, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We'll turn the variac off here, guys. So there you go. Switch off, safety first, you know. So hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all again. Bye.